Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so we are fixing to dive into the BoxyCharm September spoilers again, but now we have some newly confirmed items for the premium as well as the luxe. And I will try to timestamp these for base, premium, as well as luxe. So if you're excited about this video, y'all go ahead and hit your thumbs up button. Also hit your subscribe button and make sure your bell's on, that way you're notified and you don't miss out on no spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read that first comment from my last video, which was reacting to some confusing photos. Well, thank you so much, Linda Pombo. Linda says, hello there, girl. Well, hello, Linda. Honey, how are you doing? I hope you're doing well. I hope your weekend's going wonderful. And I really appreciate you having your bell on and coming and watching the video. I love you, girl. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this video. You're going to have one out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell, try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know, I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, before we dive into this madness, I'm going to put up a 5-second timer. If you're not subscribed to this channel, go ahead and do so. During that time, you're going to see a little red heart. It's going to turn a shade of blue for about a half a second, so don't blink. But it's also going to give you good luck for the rest of 2020, and who don't need that right now? So let's go ahead and do that. Well, welcome to the family, guys. Now let's dive into this madness again. We've got a lot of items, so I hope you got you a snack and a drink and everything. I'm going to try to move through these as quickly as possible because it's a little bit redundant. But like I said, we do have some newly confirmed spoilers for premium and luxe. So let's go ahead and start with the September base box. Now this one is $25. You'll get 5 full-size products. So the first ones are the choice items. So the first choice item was either the Pharmacy Beauty Cheer Up Eye Cream or the Kate Somersville exfoliant treatment. Now those were the choice items, and of course if you didn't choose, you will be getting one out of those items. Next is the Alamore Cosmetics Spanglish eyeshadow palette. Now I believe that's going to be a variation between that and the Hip Dot Xeon eyeshadow palette. Next up is the Huda Beauty Melted Matte and Metal Eyeshadow Duo. Again, that's another variation. And if you remember, there is going to be another product from Huda Beauty in the base box, but we have yet to see what that is. So next, let's go ahead and jump into the premium box. Now this one is $35 a month. Now the first thing, everybody will be receiving the Eloise Beauty, the Queen eyeshadow palette. Everybody's been raving over this palette, guys. It looks absolutely amazing. Next up is the choice items. It was either the Marc Jacobs Youthquake Cream or the Ole Henriksen Fat Glow Facial, or of course the Marc Jacobs Coconut Dew Drops. This is the gel highlighter. Now next is a variation item, and guys, this is newly confirmed. We have not seen this yet. We've seen it in add-ons, but not any of the boxes. So we now know that Marc Jacobs Enamored Lip Lacquer Lip Gloss will be a variation in the premium September box. And then next is another Marc Jacobs item that has been newly confirmed, and we now know it's in premium. It is the Marc Jacobs Liquid Gel Eyeliner. It's the Highliner Gel Liner. It's kind of a unique gel liner, but I've heard really good stuff about it. Alright guys, so now let's go ahead and dive into the Luxe box. Of course, this is $49.99, and this is quarterly, so you'll get this every 3 months. And this is an upgrade to the base box. Not a lot of people quite have this figured out. You know, it's kind of confusing. Premium is a box all on its own, but if you get base, you can upgrade to the Luxe. It's just basically an upgrade from the base box. So first, let's look at the first set of choice items, which you could have chose in between either the Biro Tomato Serum or the Kate Somersville Exfoliant Treatment or the Pharmacy Beauty Cheer Up Eye Cream. Now those 3 were the first set of choice items, and of course it was kind of crossovered with the base box. Now the second set of choice items, now there's a lot in this. So the first item, you could have either chosen the Tan Luxe Gradual Illuminating Tanning Lotion, or you could have chosen the Skin Camp Hydrogel Rosy Hearts Eye Mask. Now there is 5 sets of those. Next is another choice item. This is the Milk Makeup Matcha Detoxifying Mask or the Milk Makeup Melatonin Overnight Serum. Next is the Frank Body The Original Coffee Scrub or the OC Atmosphere Cream, or of course that Gravity Weighted Sleep Mask in gray. Now again, that is the second set of choices that were for Luxe, so let us know what you chose down below. Now guys, we also know that the Pure Cosmetics Travel Essentials Brush Set with Case is going to be in there. That is 12 pieces. I think there is 11 brushes, and of course the case is counted as a piece. So I think that is going to be a variation between that and the 111 Skin Rose Gold Face Mask. Again, there's going to be 5 sets of those. And now the newly confirmed spoilers. So we now know that the Persona Cosmetics Season 1 Lip Gloss is going to be in the Luxe box. Now the shades are going to vary, and I didn't know if it was going out as a duo or a single. It will be going out as a single. You will get one of those. And then another newly confirmed product is again this Persona Cosmetics. This is the Duo Power Brush. We now know is now going to be in the Luxe box. So now we have those items placed that we didn't know exactly which box they were going to be in, but we knew those coming in September, so now they're all placed. Now guys, as for some important dates that you want to get down in your calendar, we have the October choice. That is the add-ons. So early access for the base box is going to be September 14th. Again, that is going to be for October base choice as well as add-ons. Now all access will be open for the base choice and add-ons on September 15th. Now the premium choice will be September 17th. Again guys, make sure you mark this down in your calendar. That way you get to choose what items that you want to go in your box. So guys, let me know what you think about all these items down in the comments section. Let me know what you chose, if you did get to choose, or what you're hoping to get in your box. And of course, as soon as BoxyCharm reveals anything else, I'll keep you guys updated. You know I'm going to keep you in the loop. And as always, BoxyCharm is a link below if you want to go check them out. Now let's go ahead and read that comment that I picked in my last video. Well, thank you so much, Yvette Maxwell Lindsay. I hope I said that right. If I didn't, I apologize, Yvette. Anyways, Yvette says, hang with positive people and do positive stuff. Well, Yvette, honey, that is what I'm doing now. As far as hanging out with positive people, the only people I hang out with is y'all. So, you know, I ain't got friends in real life, so y'all are all I got. So as long as y'all stay positive, hopefully I can too. And I'm going to try to do as much positive stuff as I can. I'm already meditating, praying. I'm doing all of it. I'm even listening to positive energy subliminals. Don't quite know if that works, but I'm trying it. But Yvette, I really appreciate you coming and watching the video. I love you, girl. Remember, guys, you got to leave that comment if you want a shout out. And guys, double check. Please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. You know how YouTube likes to take my subscribers and tell me I don't have any. Yeah, they do it all the time. But if y'all would check on that for me. And if you not, well, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude for you not to accept a gift. So, well, you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You can only hit the thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. And there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out of here. Dang YouTube. If you would, make sure your notification bell is set on. That way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all these spoilers. And guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers. So if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. And that's it. That's all I got for you. And I love y'all so much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.